A big hello to all the food lovers out there. While it's generally said that we should eat to live rather than live to eat, but क्या करें यार, इतना सारा टेम्पटिंग खाना देखकर by God मेरे मुंह में तो पानी आ गया. And I'm sure it goes the same with you, isn't it? Well, while we generally know about various healthy eating habits like chewing food properly, avoid drinking water while eating, and never skipping our meals, especially breakfast. But कहीं ना कहीं आज मुझे लगा that I should share with all of you, my dear friends, those 3 healthy eating habits which I believe nobody ever told you. So quickly jumping on to point number 1. According to Ayurveda, it is always suggested that we should eat while sitting in a crossed leg position. अर्थात हमें हमेशा खाना चौकड़ी मारकर बैठ के खाना चाहिए. Now you will wonder why. हम टेबल पर डाइनिंग टेबल पर बैठकर भी खाना खा सकते हैं, और maybe we can eat while standing as well, isn't it? Well, the thing is, जब आप चौकड़ी मारकर बैठकर खाना खाएंगे ना, so that is the exact and the best position which is most suitable for your digestive system. क्योंकि होता क्या है, when you are sitting with your spine, your back erect and in a crossed leg position, your stomach gets the maximum blood flow which aids in the most suitable digestion required for you at that particular time. अब ये तो बात हुई about the best posture for eating. लेकिन होता क्या है, जैसे ही हमारे सामने हमारी favorite dish आती है, we get so tempted to eat more and more and more of it, isn't it? लेकिन हमें कैसे पता लगे that our stomach is full and we need to stop? Well, our stomach only helps us in this case. जब हम खाना खा रहे होते हैं, we reach a point when we generally burp. हमें लगता है कि हमारा खाना हजम हो गया है and we can eat more and more of it, while the fact is that it's a signal from our stomach that we have already eaten to an optimum quantity, और इसके बाद अब हमें खाना रुक जाना चाहिए. Another important observation I have seen, which is my point number 3 for today, that the moment we finish eating, हमें एक जल्दबाजी हो जाती है. और वो क्या? We tend to rush to get up, remove our dishes, go and wash our hands, and we feel कि खाना खा लिए तो चलो जल्दी जल्दी उठो, सब कुछ क्लीन कर लो, and then we relax. Well, the problem is, right after you finish your meals, you should at least keep sitting for minimum 15 minutes, because that is the peak time when your digestion happens, and that is the exact time when you need to keep sitting in that stable, comfortable position so that your digestion is not disrupted. हम करते क्या हैं? The moment we finish eating, we rush to wash our hands, remove our dishes, और खाना खाते ही हम चलना या भागना शुरू कर देते हैं, and our digestion goes for a toss. So my dear friends, these were my 3 key healthy eating habits I wanted to share with each one of you today. And a very important request I want to make to everyone out there is, please stop wasting food. हम लोग parties में जाते हैं and we overfill our plates so much that we are not able to eat it, and we throw it in the dustbin. Or maybe we go to a restaurant and order too much and we leave it all behind. In fact, कई बार हम घर में इतना कुछ पका लेते हैं that we don't want to eat it anymore, and it all goes waste. दोस्तों, जिसे खाने को नहीं मिलता ना, उससे पूछो कि भूख की तड़प क्या है, उससे पूछो कि खाने की कीमत क्या है. And I'm sure after watching and sharing this video with everyone today, we all will inculcate these 3 healthy eating habits and the habit of not wasting food anymore in our life, we will do good not just to ourselves but to everyone around us. Thank you so much.